Hey guys, Pete Tverdov here with Tverdov Housing. Want to give you a market update in the city of New Brunswick for the month of January. Got the numbers here hot off the press, so let's dive right in. On the single family side, active listings very consistent from December to January. We have 27 active listings in the city, 7 closed in the month of January. What was interesting to me is the average close price was $538,000. So this is the first time in a while I've seen the average close price for single family close with a number beginning with a 5. So that was really interesting. Average days on market was 50. That was pretty consistent with last month. Last month was 47. So you're almost looking at 2 months on market before you go under contract on the single family side. And the list price to close price was 101%. So very interesting on the single family side, to be honest, because it could be an outlier, but we're seeing numbers getting elevated. On the multifamily side, very consistent story. Had 9 active listings in the month of January, 4 closed. I think I had one of them. Actually, I take that back. That closed this month. You didn't know that. Average days on market was 50, and average list price to sales price was 103%. So multifamily also showing the numbers showing to be very strong. So my opinion, being boots on the ground and having listings and working with buyers, is what I could tell you guys is I'm noticing less demand for these homes. I'm trying to think. I haven't had like a huge bidding war in a while. I mean, I guess that's not entirely true. I did have one on a multifamily that closed this month. You guys will find out about that next month. But for the most part, I guess these houses are trading, but there's just not as much buyer activity. So I think from a seller's perspective, if you want to sell, it's important now more than ever to price it properly. Because if you price it too high, no one's putting an offer in and it's just sitting. And I think that's what's leading to these longer days on market that you're seeing, 40, 50, 60 days, okay? And then on the single family side, it's very interesting to me because townhouses have appreciated quite a bit, condos have appreciated quite a bit, and obviously the single family houses have as well. But some of the numbers we're seeing for houses outside of Ward 6, which is like the student area, some of the single family home prices, like it's making you turn your head like, what did that sell for? So I think it's something interesting to monitor. So hope this was helpful. It's actually been a pretty interesting winter with regards to the data, and I'm very curious to see what February brings.